Hi everyone, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we're trying to live our best life even though we probably don't feel like it. And today is just a quick little video. We're doing a decorate my porch with me. I've been working from home this fall, so I'm finding that I have a little more time than usual. I am typically working extra long hours and late nights with marching band season, but unfortunately that's been canceled for our band this year, so I find myself with a little extra time. And I've been using that time to be crafty and do all kinds of fall things. So we're going to decorate the porch. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy the video, share it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to ring the bell so you can be updated of all my future uploads. All right, let's dive right in. That was so awkward. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by getting all the random crap off my porch that's been sitting here all summer. And these pots looked really good for a minute, and then they just didn't do well. They used to have pretty petunias in them, but yikes. Got these corn stalks at our local farmers market. Here where I live, there's a wonderful place called Block's Stand and Greenhouse, and I got this whole big wad of these things for I think $2.99 or $3.99, and I was able to split it into 2 pieces to just kind of stuff it in here. And I was afraid it would fall if it got windy, but I was able to just kind of stuff it in, and it worked well. I did retie the pieces together with some of the rope that came with it, just so that there wasn't little stragglers, but it actually really worked out, and I have not had any problems with them falling over. Bernie's helping me. And having to sweep again because there is a lot of crud that falls off of these things. Since doing this, every time I open my front door, pieces of this fly into my house. I got this cute little doormat at Dollar Tree, and I've been really excited to put it out. And it's really decent quality for Dollar Tree. And I got this haystack, or bale. I just got a little one. And when I turned it on its side, it was a little better, and I got that also at the farmer's market. It was $2.99. And then these crates, they were 99 cents each at the market, and they were, I mean, they're like really junky, but they are perfect for this. So I put them on there. The other wooden crate, I'm actually not sure where that came from. I found it in my basement. And this little scarecrow, I think I got that at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago. She used to have hair and a little hat, but it blew away, so she's bald now, and it's fine. And I'm just using these crates and hay bales to kind of like change up my levels, because when you're creating a little, vignette like this, having different levels and different textures and colors really kind of helps the whole overall look. So having everything at different spots, I think, is helpful. If I had different steps, I could use my steps for this, but I don't, so I'm just using the crates and the hay and stuff. I made this wreath, and there's a video on my channel about it as well, at least there will be, and I also made this little pumpkin stack, and both of those projects were made completely out of materials from the Dollar Tree, and I was so happy with how they turned out. Now I'm just removing the stickers from the mums that I purchased at my farmer's market, and I decided that I needed a little extra fluff underneath my ugly green pumpkin here, so I just took one of the hay bale, or one of the corn stalks, and kind of folded it up, and I really like how it looked. Just kind of adjusting everything. I really loved getting these different multicolored pumpkins. I got a pink one, a green one, and a white one, And then I'm just going through some of my decor that I've had for years and kind of setting it out here. I got this little sign with a pumpkin in the sea at Dollar General. Really like it. Watering up my little mums, and here we go, the finished product. There is water everywhere because I just watered the mums. I absolutely love how it turned out. I hope you do too, and that you're inspired to do something with your front porch.
Bernie, come